Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to Madam Johanna and my fellow friends. So today we are from group FALCON9. We present our academic paper about ways to maintain a good mental health. I am Alia Natasha and today we have Muhammad Farhan Marikin and Muhammad Aiman Naim bin Abdul Rahim. First and foremost, what is mental health? So mental health is defined as a condition in which an individual is able to recognize his strength and potential while being able to cope with daily stress, work efficiently, and give back to her or her community. Do you know that mental health is a common issue that is discussed among teenagers and adults nowadays? And according to the Urban Design Mental Health, 1 in 4 people will have a mental health disorder in their lifetime, and his can occur at any age. Next, mental health is a certain issue because of certain factors that have ever emerged in individual life. For example, child abuse, trauma or neglect, unemployed or job loss, and experience long-term physical health conditions. Therefore, it is important for each individual to identify effective measures to address this mental problem, as they are adverse effects of neglecting mental health care for individual, family, and even employers. For individual, this can lead to a lower quality of life as their focus and productivity are affected by the conditions. Next, for the family members, the mental and physical strains that come with providing care for a mental ill family members can cause other members of the family to feel served and ongoing stress as well. So now, let we see the ways to maintain the good mental health among the individual.
One of the common ways for individuals who want to maintain mental health is by spending more time in a green environment such as nature, tropical green forests, national parks, and recreational parks. Involvement with green spaces and environments is understood to reduce stress level and depression. Research in ecotherapy medicine has shown it can help overcome or reduce mild to moderate depression. This is due to a combination of frequent physical activity and social contact with being in a green environment and nature. The sound of bird chirping and the sounds of insects, as well as the rush of waterfall, can make the mind calm because of the surrounding aura. Research has found that the sounds of nature can help human mental health. The study was conducted on 7,500 people as part of the BBC Forest 404 podcast series depicting a world without nature, and the result of the study found participants showed the sounds of bird chirping give relief from stress and mental fatigue, called the therapeutic effect. However, not all patients like noise disturbance. Despite the beautiful sounds of nature, not everyone agrees with it. Sometimes, people want to enjoy the greenery of the green forest quietly, but there is noise disturbance and other people who are also in the park. Unwanted noise entering the environment will interfere with the activities of some people. They will lose focus and cause mental health disorders. Noise pollution has the potential to affect mental health, which can increase stress level, sleep disturbance, or hearing loss. In conclusion, the existence of plants and animals in nature provides pleasure and serenity as a therapy of the mind, but the unpleasant sounds are very disturbing to relax the mind and impractical to overcome the problem of mental illness. The other common way for individuals who want to maintain mental health is by seeking help and referring to experts regarding their mental health condition. Patients complain of all the problems they face to ease the burden of their mind. This will make them feel appreciated and treated well. Patients can refer to a professional physician such as a psychiatrist and need to be honest in reporting any problem and counter it to get the most appropriate treatment for their current needs. Help guide highlighted that the length of treatment will likewise rely upon the kind of seriousness of the uneasiness issue. As it indicated by the American Psychological Association, many individuals were essentially about 8 to 10 therapy sessions. However, this method does not have a drastic effect on patients because they are too expectant of the listeners and supporters rather than them to do something to improve their mental health condition. Patients need to take the time to identify their own problem and try to figure out some solution to heal themselves. The advice provided by the expert is not all right with the patient's problem as the expert never experienced it. Overall, positive interactions between people can develop high values of love and caring, but not everyone has such a commendable attitude and is willing to help. Patients who experience and understand the problem need to be positive and constantly self-reflective in improving the quality of their mental health.
One of the essential course of action to maintain well-being of mental health is by practicing a healthy lifestyle. Undoubtedly, it is believed to be one of the most effective ways for any person to maintain good mental health. Generally, engaging in physical activity, eating healthy foods, getting sufficient sleep, drinking more water, and avoiding excessive amount of alcohol and drugs are the methods used to accomplish a healthy lifestyle. Heads Up emphasizes that this method can help to track mental health, control symptoms of depression and anxiety, and improve an individual's overall health. Firstly, engaging in physical activity without doubt can improve an individual mood for the whole day. According to Better Channel Health, doing exercises helps boost mood, concentration when doing any kind of activities and reduces the rate of mental illness. Furthermore, eating healthy foods will drastically improve our well-being as the nutrient consumed by the human body can be beneficial to mind and body. Basically, consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables with food substantial in omega-3 fatty acids can boost mental health. Moreover, getting enough sleep can recover after any infection and overcome a lot of challenges by having great sleep habits. Next, avoid excessive use of drugs and alcohol as it changes many brain function, and drinking more water is a must as it ameliorates brain function, enhances mood and vitalizes muscle. Therefore, practicing a healthy lifestyle is a prime way to practice mental health. Another effective way to maintain a good mental health is doing self-help techniques for coping with mental illness. In case an individual has crappy feelings of self-doubt and hopelessness, an action can be taken by writing it down and brainstorming the idea to solve the problem. Fear of judgment can be avoided as brainstorming empowers people to think more at will. In general, participating in an event or competition allows an individual to meet people which can change the flow of the mind, for being stressed for a whole day and start concentrating on making new friends and people. So without a doubt, people who join an event are generally an active person who gives positive vibes. On the other hand, getting stressed can be avoided by coping with 1-minute stress strategies. According to the University of Michigan, examples of 1-minute stress strategies such as do Tai Chi, take a walk in nature, spend time with our pet and write a journal surely will cope with our stress. Moreover, meditating is also categorized as a self-help technique as meditating calms the mind, similarly to praying as it helps to improve state of mind and outlook on life. Naturally, humans will have bad feelings no matter what kind of situation they have been put in, but allowing it comes is good as an individual can cope and overcome the situation by doing self-help techniques. As reported by Pombo, trying to develop emotional awareness by controlling the reaction to systems that may lead to mental illness is good. Hence, doing self-help techniques is an efficient way to practice and mental health being. Another essential method to mental health is by getting support from surrounding, by communicating with family and friends, because having a lot of guidance and attempting to engage with reliable people is fundamental to achieve a good mental health, as we can discuss with them. Generally, reliable people such as family and friends might have experienced a bad situation before. Without a doubt, they can give good advice and tips to help overcome this situation and deal with mental health. Mayo Clinic suggested that good friends can assist during bad times and celebrate during any kind of achievement. Thus, it can boost mental health growth as well as tighten the bond of relationship. Furthermore, concern and support is a vital thing for an individual who suffers mental illness, as it can give the victim the attention towards solving the problem. Significantly, it can give an early treatment towards the victim. Furthermore, seeking help from family is an essential way, as the connection between an individual and family is stronger and they know us better. Supporting a family will help us to deal with mental health, because seeking help and obtaining well-being is achievable regardless of how the family is. Due to the benefit, it is true to say that getting support is an essential way to practice mental health.
In conclusion, mental health needs to be given more serious attention by individual, family, and also community. Mental health can lead patients to worse, which are patients lose control and tend to injure themselves. Various unwanted incidents have occurred in our country due to the mental illness. There are several methods that are seen to be effective and efficient to deal with the problem. First, adopting a healthy lifestyle. Second, doing self-help technique for coping with mental illness. And last but not least, gaining environmental support. That's all for our group. Thank you.